Good morning. Welcome to IKM Oratic Education Channel. Now we are going to discuss about human resource planning. Manpower planning is also called as human resource planning. Human resource planning is an important function of the management. Actually, human resource, like any other resource of an organization, is an important aspect of the organization, and it is moreover more important factor or element of the management, because with any other asset one cannot achieve the productivity unless and until there is a operator is there, a person is there who is maintained that, who planned for the production. So human resource plays a important role in the production. And human resource, like any other resource, is not a machinery. Human resource, human beings have emotionals, feelings. Apart from their capacity, they have more important than any other asset. So that's why human resource has to be carefully handled for the production of the organization, because humans have emotions, feelings, their welfare. So keeping all in this mind, the scholars has made research on this and gave so many theories for motivating, satisfying the human, and getting the required production and to achieve the goal of the organization. So different people have defined the human resource. Not just we have an scholar, according to E.W. Vetter, human resource planning is the process by which a management determines how an organization should make from its current manpower position to its desired manpower position. Through planning, management strives to have the right number and the right kind of people at the right places at the right time to do things which results in both the organization and the individual receiving the maximum long run benefits. So in this we discuss about the right number of people, right places, and the things to do. So here we take one example of a metro railway station. If you go to any railway station, we need ticket to travel on the metro rail. So we have to take the ticket. When we go to the counter, if the person is not available over there, we will get frustrated. We have to go to home, to ground, playground, to do some activity at home. We will be frustrated to see that the person is not available over there. So if the person is not available at the place, it is the right place to do service to the customers. So if the customer is not there, we will get annoyed. We'll shout, waste management, stupid idiots like this. Something will shout and go off from the station and choose another way of transport, buses, taxis, cars, something like that, and we travel to our destination. So by this, if the person is not available at the right place, company is going to, organization is going to incur a bad name, and they are going to incur losses, and in the long run they have to close down the business. And suppose at the station, if the person is there but he is not skilled person, if he does not know how to operate the computer system or to give the tickets, again people will shout at him, waste fellow, from where he has come, he is not able to do the work. And again that spoils the organization image. So right people at right place at right time. If the train comes around 5 p.m. and the person is not available at the right time, is not available, again people has to face the problem. So like this, the management has to plan that the right person at the right place and at the right skilled person available at the place of doing the service to the customers. So this is the main important process of human resource planning, to do the service, to give the service to the customers. In the long run, the organization and the individual receive the maximum benefits out of it. So this is about definition and some small summary of human resource planning. Thank you.